Right, welcome once more. This is yet another video on Igbo language L2 past question. Okay, so 2020 Igbo L2 past question. We are sorting it out here and now. Okay, we'll start immediately. So number 41 says, okay, Omenala na ewumewu. So the question they will be asking here will be based on the Igbo culture and tradition. Okay, number 41 says, otu n'ime ndị a abụghị nri ndị Igbo. One of these is not Igbo food. Okay. The answer is C, which is amala. The answer is C, which is amala. Okay, number 42. Ndị a niile gụnyere njirimara ndị Igbo ma ewepụ. All these things shows the identity of Igbo people except the answer is E, which is The answer is E, which is Nri. Nri. E. The number 43. Ahịa ole ka e nwere n'ala Igbo? How many market days do we have in Igbo land? The answer is D, which is Ano. D, Ano. Number 44. Otu n'ime omenala ndị Igbo bụ dash. One of the cultures of Igbo people is dash. The answer is B, which is Ile Omugwo. Yes, Ile Omugwo. Okay, number 45. Ihe ndị Igbo ji anabata ọbịa bụ dash. The answer is C, which is Ọjị. Okay, let's look at number 46. Okay, under this 46, they are looking at eserese, that is pictorials, pictures. You have to identify things. Okay, number 46 says, Gịnị na-akụ ebe a? What is the time? That's how you see it. That's why you should take this thing serious. What is the time? Okay, when you look at it, you find out the time is iri na otu. The time is iri na otu, which is 11 o'clock. Iri na otu. Then number 47. Gịnị na-akụ ebe a? What is the time here? If you look at number 47, you know that the time is C, which is Asa. Asa, this is 7 o'clock. Okay, so look at this one. Say, Jiri eserese aza number 48, 49, na 50. So use this drawing that you are seeing here. We are going to use it to answer question number 48, 49, and 50. Now you say, Depụta aha number I. Okay, write down the name of this I. That is the arrow I, which is the answer is B, which is Anya. The answer is Anya, which is B. Okay. Okay, Anya. Okay, which is B. Okay, this is where we'll stop. We still have 49, 50, and onward. So we are going to continue to our next. Or should I even do it? Okay, let's look at it. See if I can just complete it. Okay, we can. And just complete this thing. Okay, look at number 49. Họpụta aha number II. That one is II is B, which is what? 49. Okay, II is ono, which is what? Mouth. If you can look at that picture that I showed you before, the answer is ono, which is mouth. Okay, number 50, we have Ropota aka. Okay, I. The answer is D, which is nte, ear. Ono is mouth. Nte is ear. Okay, let's look at this. The seventh identification. We have aha eseresabo. This picture is you are seeing. What do we think that they drew there? That is the question there. 51. The answer is D. The answer is D, which is Odum. Odum, which is lion. Okay. Number 52. We have kedu ihe anụ ndị na-eserese a na-eme. Okay, in this drawing, what is this animal doing? That is the question there. Number 52, what is this drawing doing? This animal that they drew there doing. So the answer is C. Ata ahihia is eating grass. The animal is eating grass there. Okay, number 53 says, kedu ihe eji eserese a eme? What do they use this drawing to do in Igbo land? The answer is D. Esi ofe. This is cocoyam. We use it to cook soup, especially bitter leaf soup. Or oha soup. We use it to cook very special soup, cocoyam. Very special one. Okay, number 54 says, Kedu aha eserese. What is the name of this drawing? When you look at this drawing very well, you know that this drawing is okoro. Okoro, which is the answer is D, which is okoro. But in English, they call it okro. Okro, yes. But in Igbo, we call it okoro. Alright, number 55, we have Hopota aha eserese. Point out the name of this drawing. Mere looking at it, you will know that the answer is A, which is Aziza. Aziza. Okay? Thank you very much. This is where we'll call it a day for today. Next class, we'll continue with the last from 56 to end. Thank you very much. And please do well to subscribe to this channel. We are begging you.